Hello guys, we are going to proceed solving question 7 and this is going to be the last question I'm going to solve and upload. Now for those of you guys who will need the solutions to question 8 till the last question, you can get to me on WhatsApp and you purchase the solutions, either the video format or the digitalized format of the solutions. Alright, so like I said, for those of you who will need the remaining solutions, be it in a video format or in a digitalized format, you get to me on WhatsApp. I'm going to give my number at the end of the day and I'm going to show you how to purchase those solutions from my website. Alright, so question 7 is the last question I'm going to be solving as it concerns Nahpi. Okay, when the polynomial p of x equal to this is divided by x squared, I don't know if this is x squared or it's x cubed, but I'm sure it's x squared. Yes, it's x squared, right? I think it's x squared. So when this polynomial is divided by x squared, I have to erase this. When this polynomial is divided by x squared plus 2, the remainder is 7 minus x. What's the value of the real constants p and q? Okay, now first things first is that I'm going to correct this polynomial, alright, because it is very absurd to see 2x cubed minus 4x plus px. It does not make sense. Okay, so we are going to write this as negative 4x squared. Yes, so that at least the power should be decreasing. It now makes sense. Alright, so my polynomial is divided by, when my polynomial is divided by x squared plus 2, the remainder is 7 minus x. We need to find the values of p and q. So I'm first of all going to write my polynomial. So I need p of x equal to 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus px plus q. Now we need to divide this polynomial by another polynomial which is x squared plus 2, and the remainder is 7 minus x squared. Okay, so let me see if I can write, because it's very difficult for me to draw. Let me see. Okay, voila. So what happens is that let's just do our long division normally. Okay, voila. So my long division, I'm going to have for the long division, we are going to have here, we are going to put 2. Oh god, it's like I'm just going to choose a new slide and we work everything on it. Alright, so let us do it. So we have the polynomial 2x cubed, okay, minus 4x squared plus px plus q. Now we are dividing it with x squared plus 2. So let's go 2x cubed. So we are going to have 2x cubed divided by x squared will give us 2x. Alright, we are going to have, oh god, we are going to have, I don't know why it is not writing. Anyways, let me see. We have 2x. Voila. Now if we multiply, okay, 2x times x squared is 2x cubed. Okay, 2x cubed. 2x times 2 is 4x. Alright, now let us subtract. We are going to have 0 here. We are going to have 0 here. I'm just going to bring down negative 4x squared. Alright, then when I do that, I'm going to have plus px, then minus 4x, then I'm going to bring down q. Okay, that is what I have. Now next thing, I'll divide again. So if we take negative 4x squared divided by x squared, we are going to have negative 4. If you multiply, we have negative 4 x squared, okay, minus 8. All right, now if we subtract, we are going to have here 0. Here we are going to have px minus 4x plus q minus negative 8, which is q plus 8. Voila. So this is what we have. This is what we have at the end of the day. We cannot continue dividing because the highest power of this polynomial here is 1, but the power of my divisor is 2 because I have x squared. So all I need to do is I'm going to equate px, this px minus 4x plus q plus 8. We are going to equate it to 7 minus x. Now the coefficient of x here, the coefficient of x in this term here is p minus 4. We are going to equate it to negative 1 because negative 1 is the coefficient of x here. Now the constant term here is q plus 8. Alright, and we are going to equate it to the constant term on the other side, which is 7. So with that, I think we can clearly see that p will be equal to 3, okay, while q will be equal to negative 1. So p is 3 and q is negative 1. So p equals to 3, q equals to negative 1. Clearly, option A is correct. So guys, for those of you guys who have been following from question 1 to question 7 and you find it interesting and you need the solutions to the rest of the questions, make sure you get to me on WhatsApp. Now, this is my number 676 597498. Now when you get to me, I'm going to guide you on, if you need the soft solutions, I will direct you on how to go to my website and you purchase. I think it is either 700 or 1000, I can't remember. And if you want the video solutions, I will also direct you on how to purchase the video solutions of the remaining questions. Thank you guys, and here is the end of our journey. I wish you guys all the best in Nahpi for this year.